Okay, we're here.
Okay, so you are bringing me to a Popiah store.
Yeah.
Hi, Minister. Hi,
Hello.
Max. How are you all?
Nice to
Hi.
Thank
meet
you for coming to my shop. Please come in.
Wow. Guys, he's making this in real time and it's super cool. It's so cool.
It's the thinnest crepe in the world. It's 1 mm thick only.
How long have you learned this?
I learned this when I'm 12 years old.
Oh.
So I heard actually Popiah is a traditionally Peranakan dish, is it?
Popiah actually comes from China 5,000 years ago. Can you imagine that? When it comes to Singapore, right, it becomes the Peranakan version.
Actually, speaking of bringing Singaporean food overseas, right? Mister, I have a question for you. When you were studying overseas, was there any Singaporean food that you really, really missed?
Everything lah. From chai tau kueh to chicken rice to bak kut teh, so many things we miss. Some we can do, some we can't do at Popiah, of course.
So today we're going to be trying to make this, but it's going to be a competition, okay?
Yeah, so don't worry, no pressure.
Okay, my hands are really small, so you need to give me a much smaller piece.
Okay,
So,
Ken.
okay,
So
I'll
I'll
take
give
this one.
Minister first. Okay, let's go.
This isn't any smaller. Okay.
Okay, bring it up. Awesome. That's a nice one.
It's very small though.
But it's okay. It's okay.
I know you do this thing. I always see you do. Okay, no.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
So how are we gonna start?
There's a lot of wrap in the world. There's burritos, there's tacos, there's Vietnamese spring roll, and of course there's Popiah. In my opinion, the hardest to wrap of them all is Popiah.
So if I'm a Singaporean living overseas and I want to make my own Popiah, but I can't really find all the ingredients, what do you think are some alternatives?
All this you can find in overseas in a supermarket, but the hard part to get is the Popiah skin. So what I would suggest is either you can use spring roll skin or you use lettuce to wrap them.
Oh, nice, like a whole vegetable wrap.
Exactly.
Very, very healthy.
So let me show you all the steps in making a Popiah, and later on we'll get you all to have a competition. So now, firstly, right, you take out a piece of the Popiah skin. Now, rough side face up. First thing to put is your chili. Okay, so this is chili padi, chili and garlic. The next to put is your sweet sauce. So spread it across the skin. Okay. Now, of course, like what Minister said, the first thing to put is your lettuce. Yeah. So break the stalk of the lettuce. Okay. Then after that, you put your cucumber. Now some people use tauge. Okay. After that, you put your eggs or omelette. Okay. Followed by your roasted peanut. Then your crispy fritters. So if you're healthy, you don't put too much of this. This is basically to give a little bit of crunch to the Popiah. Then we put the prawns.
Wow, you use very big.
Yeah,
big
so we
prawns,
have 2 of this. And remember, the last to put is your Popiah filling, which is the main ingredient. Turnips, carrots, minced seafood, bean curd, and slow cook to perfection. Okay, now I recommend just 1 scoop of this. Tau Kwa, yeah, bean curd. Okay, so adjust the filling first. Fold both sides, okay, but not all the way. Leave a gap. Now remember to press it. And when you roll, don't hesitate, don't procrastinate. Just go. 1, 2, 3, go. And you got yourself a wonderful Popiah. So now you have learned how to do the Popiah. Shall we get you all to do the Popiah now? Okay.
Okay. Careful as I
I
can.
monkey see, monkey do.
Okay. Oh yeah, then copy everything that I do. That's not fair.
So,
I saw what Michael did just now, right?
cross eye come.
Okay. How did he put the sauce? Like this, a bit like this.
Come over this side.
Did he put right after this? Oh, he put this. I'm gonna put a bit more. Was it the egg first or the prawn first?
And in your way, this is very big. Tiger prawns.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put extra prawn.
Yes, don't miss
We
any
forgot
condiments.
the peanut lah.
The peanut and the batter was before the prawns.
So many prawns.
Why? I want extra prawns. I love prawns.
No, we'll take chopstick and voila.
There's the main ingredient. There's still the main ingredient.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna have the wrapping.
Okay, go.
Yes,
go.
roll.
Okay, present.
Ow! No, Mr. Young looks so nice. I think Michael break already.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
now
okay. Yes.
Yeah. Right. So from what I can see, right, so I'm going to give a judgment. I think the minister role is better than Annette's one.
think so.
Yeah, correct. I'm going to present him a present, okay? So this is Popiah poppers for like an appetizer.
Thank you.
Yeah, so for Annette, I'm also going to give her something. I'm going to give her a DIY set which has all the
wow.
ingredients inside there, and she will go home to practice. She will go home to practice making
My
popiah.
price is bigger than yours, Minister. I don't know why.
Because mine's better, so I don't need.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you both of y'all for coming to my shop. It's a pleasure hosting y'all, and I hope y'all learned something about popiah.
Yes.
Yeah, we did.
Learn a lot.
Okay,
Thank you very
now
much.
Thank you.
without further ado, let's get right into eating this.
Yeah.
So bye guys, bye. I'm gonna eat already. Where's the fork? I need to look for.
Thank you. Thank you.